Alright. Now let's see what happens here. Oh, this is... Oh, it's doing a little bit. It's doing a little bit of it. Maybe. But it's a lot... It sounds a lot quieter somehow. Okay. Maybe it's the blade. Oh yeah. I got a screwdriver right here. Tighten this up. All right, now we can hear the tick better. Let's reverse it and see what happens. Just bear with me, because I'm trying to figure out how to get this fixed. It's making a hinching sound. Trying to get it to make the tick so I could figure this out. How I know I'm not getting electrocuted is because there's no need to go into this part, because it seems all I Because like I said, all I need to do is figure out what part of this, like figure out what's inside the motor housing that makes, that's not on, the motor housing that's not on right now is, so I'm trying to figure out what's internal part is making the ticking. All I gotta do is keep looking because I want, because if you know, I mean, if you don't know, Video Joe knows, and his second channel, Video Joe Shows, he's told, in case you, he's told me to keep looking to find out what's causing that ticking noise. Maybe it only does it when the motor housing is on. Maybe I'll see if that's it or not. Because this must be it. Maybe the motor housing needed tightening, so whenever I put this fan back together with the motor housing, I will see if that got rid of the ticking. But I'm gonna go ahead and see if I could, because I'm thinking that this loose screw right here is it, because the tickings sounded something like this. But I'm gonna have the motor housing on and see if it sounds similar to this.